While out boondocking or dry camping with the pet, have you ever wondered how you can keep your pet cool with fresh air, nice portable AC? Well, I have the product for you. It's Arctic Air. It's the great companion for your pet to keep him warm. Let's take a look. Here we go. All right, this is here. It's the Arctic Air companion. This blows cold air into your pet while you're boondocking. And let's say you don't want to use the energy from your generator. You don't want to keep your generator running. You can use a Jackery. This here is the Jackery Explorer 300. It can power almost anything in the rig. And this is the small version of the Jackery. And it's powering this Arctic Air, which you can get from Amazon. And Mac is in here relaxing and cool as can be. So, that's how you keep your pet cool while boondocking. Right, Grayson?
Yeah.
That's right. Subscribe, comment, the RV Smalls Adventures.